Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing fitness, fashion, and ways to focus on greatness. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos.
It's the Breakfast Club, bitches.
You're a donkey.
Yes, donkey of the day for Thursday, July 25th goes to a Georgia woman named Lillian Tarver. Now, Lillian was faced with a disappointment that we all have been faced with at some point in our lives, and that disappointment is being at McDonald's and receiving cold French fries.
Hell no.
I have to say that's the number one disappointment at McDonald's. The second greatest disappointment at Mickey D's is when the ice cream machine is broke. But receiving cold French fries has to be number one. Nothing worse than when you go through the drive-thru and drive off and realize those fries are not hot.
Okay, so clearly it wasn't the cold fries that set this young lady off, and something else was going on prior to that issue occurring. Secondly, Dennis and I discuss this often. If you're not pleased at an establishment where you are spending your money, don't continuously complain. Just stop going. You know, I hear a lot of boycott this and boycott that, and nothing is ever honestly done, and it's going to continue. The only way that change will come is when it starts affecting their pockets. The longer you keep overlooking subpar service and or products, it's going to continue. For example, we did the bulk of our grocery store shopping at Walmart. Our local store was terrible, so we started traveling a little further. We moved closer to the store that we were going to, actually, which was cool. Fast forward a few months, and I would have to go to the store 3 to 4 times a week because they were always out of the items we needed for our lifestyle. Now, since we're plant-based, there aren't any substitutes for the products that we do need, so it was terribly frustrating. I wrote letters almost daily to the corporate office with no response, nothing. We decided to just stop going and spending money there and start utilizing another store to shop for groceries. We chose Meijer and have since been pleased. They're always fully stocked, and we also found new items we could try. So I'm just saying, complaining fell on deaf ears, and we had to find a solution.
See, according to the New York Post, Lillian ordered fries from the Garden City McDonald's outpost, then returned soon after because her order was cold. I understand the feeling, but we have to check ourselves, catch ourselves, and not make emotional decisions, okay? Can't move off emotion. You got to move off strategy. Life is about choices, people. And Lillian, she did not make the right choice. Would you like to know what Lillian did when she returned to the McDonald's after finding out her French fries were cold? Let's go to WTOC CBS 11 for the report, please.
Garden City police officers arrested Lillian Tarver after employees say she fired a gun inside the McDonald's because she was mad about her fries. This all happened yesterday. Tarver is facing 12 charges.
But before the woman shot that gun, the employee tells me there was a full-fledged brawl in the kitchen.
Physically fighting, like I had to grab her because she was putting up a set like this, and I had to seize my moment when I knew I could. When she bent down, I grabbed her hair and I just started slinging her all across the floor.
Watson says Tarver left and went to her car. When she came back, she had a gun in her hands. As for Lillian Tarver, police arrested her on Liberty Parkway after she left McDonald's. She's now facing aggravated assault and battery charges.
Oh, yes. Lillian is proof that it is our choices that show what we truly are. All right? Please give Lillian Tarver the biggest ER.
I won't waste a lot of time discussing how unhealthy McDonald's fries are. You know, you aren't just eating some potatoes dipped in grease. There are so many chemicals. You can look at the photo and read all of the unhealthy chemicals that they are adding, even to just a simple fry at McDonald's. It's complete poison. But this honestly goes to show that you need to control your emotions, or your emotions will control you. Thank you for watching. Please list below any comments that you have. Be sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Thank you, guys.